Whoop.
I can't find no shade.
We're gonna get some stuff to clean the lights.
Refurbish the lights.
Yeah.
Refurbish the lights, and then we're gonna install the doors.
Yeah, install the doors, and I think we're gonna get to cleaning the heck out of the car, dude, because
Yeah, it needs to
it
clean.
is bad. Yeah,
So
it is bad.
let's get to it.
So it looks like this one's done with the 400.
400.
Well, so like I said, I mean, this is just like a little, it's more of like showing you what to do. I'm really thinking if I find some good other lights, I want to replace them. I want other lights. I don't want these. But just so you guys know how to do it, some of us, we can't, you know, these are really cheap. They're going to be like, probably like 60 bucks for new headlights. But there's, you know, some trucks are more expensive.
Way more expensive.
Yeah, so I mean, if you have, you know, and I'm not saying this is the right way of doing it. I just know how to do it like this. You know, and then once you're done,
now?
this is 800.
800.
800. The other one was 300. It's rougher, and then this one's just finer, so it like gets all the scratches out. Usually, when when you do these, I would tape it, but being that I'm gonna paint all this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I said, it's more of like just to know how to do it. This is gonna have to get sanded too, so
Just start sanding it.
I'm gonna have to start sanding because if I don't do this, I will not get to it. Then I feel obligated. Like, check this one and then look at that one, dude. You're gonna be like, whoa.
Yeah. They all got something to say. Better get out of my way. We do it all in a day. Tell them that we're not the same. Feel like a million this. Watching my back for that deviousness. I see him watching my moves all the time. So this here is like really a million hits. Go for the takedown. Levels to this not the same now. Taking them out, better stay down. Been giving them balls like a playground. Oh yeah. And you're gonna know my name. Make them all go insane. Smile at you haters. Just stack up this paper. Cause me and them not the same. I got a monster inside of me. I got a monster inside. Don't wanna see all that side of me. Really, there's nowhere to hide. I've been an animal. I see the fear in your eyes. Move like a cannibal. Yeah, I'm ready to rise. Hot like I'm flammable.
All that inside.
So you can only clean the outside.
Yeah, you can only clean the outside. Like I said, I mean, this is just like, you know, worst case scenario if you really
You can't see out of them.
you can't see out of them. Or you just want them to look a little bit nicer. So you usually count how many passes you give it. Let's see if it works. Take a look at that.
Yeah,
that's like restoration. Look at that.
That's crazy.
It looks brand new. And then look at the other one now.
Ah, shit.
Yeah. You're looking in the sun.
Yeah, that's crazy. It's a mirror.
It's something different. How dude, that's how you change lights.
I didn't know that.
You didn't know that?
Well, the more you know. Hashtag enter the more you know.
I know. The more you know. I'm gonna get that tattooed on my chest. No regrets.
Yes, sir. No regrets.
No regrets.
Alright, well now that we got the headlights restored, somewhat cleaned up, we're gonna remove the door, so let's get to it. We no longer are going to use this part because it is complete trash. So
Damage. We're gonna end up going to the junkyard back again and getting new pieces for it.
both of them?
Yeah.
Or is that, yeah? Okay.
I don't like the way that one looks. What's the other is broken. Look at all this sway.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's just.
And we saw a lot of them too. We just didn't.
I know. We just didn't care for it. Oh well.
Because it's got screws in here and everything.
We'll take the speaker off that one though. Look at that. That's a nice speaker.
Oh yeah, it does have a nice speaker.
I don't know if it was connected or.
And before the door didn't have a speaker, but now we got one.
Yeah, now we got a nice speaker.
So, and a new door. Window works and everything. This is the main reason we got the doors. It's scuffed everywhere. Dents. I can buff out.
Yeah, this one. Look at this one.
This one will buff out.
Yeah, then this one look.
So before,
Yeah, look at that. Got a picture over there. Right there.
after. Since we're gonna paint the car then.
Yeah, that's gonna buff out.
should say the looks we get from people when we're in this thing.
Oh, yeah,
It's 'cause
dude.
it's just, like this guy was just staring at it. It's alright. It's not so
Cares.